Hey, what's up guys, this is Sandeep Sky, and in this video I'm going to show you how to enable WSL on Windows 10 or 11 and install Ubuntu. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So first, open your start menu and search for turn Windows features on or off, and after that make sure to check Windows subsystem for Linux and then virtual machine platform from the list and press OK. Now you need to restart your computer to apply the changes. Now after restarting, open your start menu and search for CMD and then run command prompt as administrator. Now type WSL space dash dash set dash default dash version space 2 and it will install WSL2. Now open your Microsoft Store and search for Ubuntu. Now download and install Ubuntu. Once it is installed, close Microsoft Store and then right click on your start menu and open Ubuntu. Now if you get this error saying WSL2 requires update to kernel component, then you need to copy this link here and then open your web browser and paste the link and download the update for kernel component and then install it. Now after you have installed the kernel component, close Ubuntu and go to start menu and open Ubuntu again. Now this time it will start installing Ubuntu. Now it will ask for username and password. Just enter your desired username and password. And finally we can use Ubuntu on our Windows system. So that's it for the video guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.